MainWP Dashboard logo can be customized by adding PHP code snippets into our free custom dashboard extension. PHP code snippets used in this video are in the article below, and so are the detailed instructions on how to install extensions. To change the MainWP Dashboard logo, first upload your new logo. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Then Media, add New. And upload your logo. Image should have dimensions of 168 by 35 pixels. Navigate back to your MainWP dashboard. Extensions, Custom Dashboard, PHP tab. Then add the relevant PHP code snippet to the PHP tab in the Custom Dashboard extension. Change the example URL to the actual URL of your image. And click the Save Changes button. To change the URL of the MainWP logo, from your MainWP dashboard, navigate to Extensions, Custom Dashboard, PHP tab, and add the relevant PHP code snippet. Change the example URL to your new desired URL for the logo, and click the Save Changes button. To change the alt text of the MainWP logo, from your MainWP dashboard, navigate to Extensions, Custom Dashboard, PHP tab, and add the relevant PHP code snippet. Change the example text to your new desired alt text, and click the Save Changes button.